Okay, we're back for seafood Q&A. Question number 2 of the day. What we got?
All right. Phil was wondering why it takes him longer than 3 minutes per side to cook scallops.
Okay, so I was actually out on the lake with Phil last weekend. We had a big conversation about this, and I think this is a great question because in all of our videos on scallops, we're always talking about, you know, that time of how long you want to cook those scallops per side. I mean, usually 2.5, usually 3 minutes per side to get that nice golden brown sear on each side. But a lot of times people are wondering, well, it's been 3 minutes and it's not brown at all. So what's going on? Okay, so what that's coming from is when you thaw out those scallops, the biggest hack I can give you is, make sure they're all the way thawed. They're not still, firm, like they're not still kind of frozen a little bit. And then you need to pat them dry. Here's the reason: scallops retain water. So that's why you want to make sure, I usually, we actually got scallops thawing right now, but I usually thaw them out completely and then I take them out and let them drip dry for a little bit, and then I will pat them down. If you don't do that, and if you cook them, semi still frozen, if you cook them without patting them dry, you'll get that water coming out as you're cooking. And that's gonna mess up with your timing because that water is gonna get in the pan, it's gonna mix with the butter, you're not gonna get a true sear, and then all of a sudden you're waiting 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes for that water to evaporate as you're cooking. So that's why all of a sudden after 10, 11 minutes, you start getting that sear, that nice brown on your scallops. So that's the hack, that's the trick. Phil, there you go. But yeah, pat those scallops dry, and that's gonna help you get that 3 minute, nice golden brown sear on those scallops.